A Mexican burrito. You need for this, 8 flour tortillas, 50 milliliters of sunflower oil, 500 grams of beef mince, 400 grams of canned chopped tomatoes, 400 grams of red kidney beans, drained. 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 pepper, any color, chopped, 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, optional, 100 grams of cheddar cheese, grated. Heat up the oil in a large pan, and then sauté the onion, peppers, and garlic for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the beef mince, stirring occasionally for 2 minutes or so. Once the meat has browned, add in the cumin, paprika, and chili powder. Stir in the tomatoes and kidney beans, and bring to the boil, then reduce it to a simmer for 20 minutes, before removing it from the heat. Spoon the filling into the center of the tortillas, rolling the sides in to ensure all the filling remains inside. Arrange the burritos on a baking sheet, and top them with the grated cheese. Grill the burritos for 2 minutes, or until the cheese has melted. Then tuck in and enjoy.